In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up 301 redirects using page rules in Cloudflare. This process is essential if you've recently changed your domain name and want to make sure that all traffic from your old domain is smoothly redirected to your new domain. A 301 redirect indicates that a website has permanently moved to a new address, which is important for both user experience and search engine optimization. Let's dive right into the steps. First, we need to set up DNS for your old domain on Cloudflare. Start by navigating to the DNS tab within your Cloudflare dashboard. Here we'll add an A record, which will act as a placeholder for your old domain. Enter your old domain name, such as olddomain.com. For the IP address, you can use any standard IP address for a placeholder, such as 192.0.2.1. This doesn't need to point to an actual server, since your intent is to redirect traffic via a page rule. An important detail to check here is ensuring the small orange cloud icon is illuminated. When it's on, this means the traffic is proxied, allowing Cloudflare to manage the redirects on your behalf. With the DNS setup complete, our next task is to create the redirect itself. Head over to the Rules tab, then find and click on Page Rules. This is where we define how the redirection process should function. Click on Create Page Rule to begin. In the URL box, you'll want to input the following format: olddomain.com/. The asterisks here act as wildcards, capturing all possible subpages and paths within the old domain, ensuring a comprehensive redirection. Next, you'll configure this rule to be a forwarding URL. By selecting this option, you instruct Cloudflare to forward all incoming traffic to a specified new address. Set this forwarding as a 301 permanent redirect. This status code is crucial because it tells web browsers and search engines that this is a permanent move, and they should update any bookmarks or caches they have for your site. Now, in the destination field, enter the URL format for your new domain: https www.newdomain.com, $1. The $sign and number 1 here play an important role. They capture everything after the main domain in the original request and append it to the new domain. This ensures that if someone is trying to reach a specific page from your old site, they'll automatically land on the corresponding page of your new site. Finally, click Save and Deploy. Cloudflare will now handle all user traffic and automatically redirect requests to your old domain over to your new domain. It's really as straightforward as that. By following these steps, you've ensured that visitors, whether they're coming from bookmarks or search engine results, are seamlessly redirected to your new domain without encountering any confusion or dead links. This helps maintain a positive user experience and preserves your website's valuable SEO rankings. Thank you for joining me, and I hope you found this guide helpful in successfully setting up your 301 redirects through Cloudflare.